Hello, we are discussing today about the types of angles. So, we have different types of angles. So, we can discuss each angle one by one. So, first is acute angle. Acute angle whose angle value is less than 90. Okay, this angle should be what? Less than 90. So that angles are known as acute angles. For example, 10 degrees, 25 degrees, 30 degrees, 85 degree, 89 degrees. These all angles are comes under acute angles. They are less than 90 degree. Then we have next type, that is obtuse angle. The angles whose values are greater than 90, whose angle values are greater than 90 degrees. That means 91 degrees also comes under obtuse angle, 100 degrees, 110 degrees, 120, 30, and so on. Those are greater than 90. That all angles comes under the obtuse angle. So next type, that is a straight line angles. That means any angles which are forming here on the straight line, they makes 180 degree. So here this angle is suppose x and this angle is theta, then addition of these both the angles is equal to 180. That are known as a straight line angles, or they form a straight line. Okay, means their angle sum is 180. That means they form a straight line. And reflex angle means, suppose here if I have this angle as a theta, reflex angle means I want to find out the exterior part of this angle. So reflex angle is nothing but 360 minus theta, means I am subtracting this angle theta from this total angle 360. Okay, then I will get a reflex angle. Suppose this angle is 30, then I will get reflex angle is 360 minus 30 is nothing but 330. So this exterior angle value is 330. Okay, so this is a reflex angle. Then next part is nothing but a linear pair. Linear pair means here again we have to consider straight line. Okay, and on this we have a two adjacent angles. This is angle theta and this is angle x. Then linear pair means here they have a common arm and they have a common vertex and arms are opposite in direction. So such angles form a linear pair and sum of these angles should be 180 degree. Means here also we can write x plus theta is equal to 180 degree. Suppose if you know this angle as a 30 degree, then you can easily find out the value for x. Just by subtracting 30 from 180, you will get the another value of x, that is x is equal to, here we can write it as a 150. So this is nothing but what? Linear pair, and linear pair is always their sum is 180 degree. Then after that we have a supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means their angle sum should be or greater than 90 degree. They all comes under what? Supplementary angles. Suppose here this angle is 80 degree and this angle is something 25 degrees. If we add both the angles, okay, and if it is not 180, then they are not supplementary, but their sum should be 180. Suppose this angle is 80 and this angle, suppose they are giving it as 100, then we can add this 100 plus 80 is nothing but how much? 180 degrees. So these kind of angles are known as supplementary angles. Their sum should be 180, not less than 180 or not greater than 180. That all angles which are equal to 180 comes under supplementary angle. The sum should be, the sum of the two angles should be 180 degree. So that are supplementary. Now next part, that is a complementary angles. So complementary angles where the angle sum should be exactly 90 degree. Suppose this angle is 45 and this angle is also 45. Just by adding 45 and 45, we will get it as 90 degree. Okay. And suppose this we have 30 degrees, and if suppose this we have a 60 degrees, again 30 plus 60 is nothing but what? 90 degrees. So here the sum should be exactly 90 degree, then only that angles we can call it as a complementary angles. So these are the some types I covered under the types of angles: acute angles, obtuse angle, straight line angles, reflex angle, linear pair, supplementary angles, as well as complementary angles. I hope you like this video. Thank you.